Hey, Mike. How's your day going?
Pretty good, Emily. A little busy, but good. What about you?
I'm doing fine. Actually, I was thinking about something interesting today.
Oh? What's on your mind?
This idea. Your future self will thank you for learning English today.
Hmm, that's a good one. I like it. It's simple, but very true.
Yeah, I thought it would be nice if we talk about it today. Help our listeners feel inspired.
Definitely. Learning English can feel slow sometimes, right?
So true. Many learners feel like they're not improving even though they study every day.
Right. But improvement is not visible every day. It grows slowly, like plants.
Exactly. And people forget that. They expect fast results.
Fast results don't last. Consistent results last.
Well said, Mike.
Thanks. So, Emily, why do you think future you will thank present you?
Good question. I think because learning English opens so many doors. You might not see it now, but one day it will help you.
True. Imagine someone learning English today. In 1 year, they might speak confidently
Yes, and they might get a better job, travel more easily, or make new friends around the world.
and maybe understand English movies without subtitles.
That's a big win for many people.
Emily, do you remember any time when you felt stuck while learning something?
Oh, yes. When I was learning French, I felt frustrated many times. I felt slow. I even thought about quitting.
And what helped you continue?
I imagined my future self speaking French comfortably. That picture made me keep going.
That's powerful.
What about you? Did you ever feel stuck?
Many times. But I learned that small steps matter. Even 5 minutes of practice matters.
Exactly. Small actions are easier to repeat.
And when you repeat something every day, it becomes a skill.
Right. And one day you look back and say, wow, I improved.
Yes, that's when your future self whispers, "Thank you."
I like that. The future speaking back to you.
Me too. It's calming, not heavy.
Mike, many learners ask, why is English so hard? What do you think?
I think English feels hard because people try to be perfect.
True. Perfection creates pressure.
And pressure stops progress. It blocks learning.
Exactly. That's why I always tell people speak, even if it's simple.
Yes, say small sentences. Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes are natural, they show you're learning.
And mistakes won't last. You will correct them naturally over time.
So true. I always tell people don't focus on perfection, focus on communication.
Right. Your future self doesn't care about small grammar mistakes.
Your future self cares about confidence.
Emily, I think motivation grows when progress is visible.
Absolutely. When learners notice small improvements, they feel encouraged.
That's why watching, listening, and repeating videos like this helps.
Yes, and it becomes a daily habit.
Speaking of habits, small habits create big changes.
Exactly. For example, drinking more water every day helps your future health.
Or walking for 10 minutes.
Or reading a few pages of a book.
Or saving small amounts of money.
Yes, all these little steps build a better future.
And your future self will thank you for each one.
So, learning English today is not just studying a language
It's building better opportunities
and better confidence.
and a better version of yourself.
I think many people forget that they already improved.
Yes, they focus too much on what they can't do.
Instead of looking at what they can do now that they couldn't do before,
Like understanding more words,
or speaking simple sentences,
or listening without subtitles.
or expressing basic thoughts clearly.
Yes, these are big achievements, actually.
But learners don't celebrate them.
They should. Celebrating small wins keeps motivation alive.
Right. Even saying, "Good job, me," helps.
That's true.
Mike, what advice would you give to someone who feels stuck today?
My advice? Take a break, breathe, then start again tomorrow.
Simple and effective.
And don't compare yourself to others.
Yes, comparison steals joy.
And it steals confidence, too.
So true. Everyone learns at a different speed.
And your speed is perfect for you.
I agree. The goal is not speed. The goal is progress.
And progress is happening slowly but surely.
Exactly.
That's true.
Mike, what advice would you give to someone who feels stuck today?
My advice? Take a break, breathe, then start again tomorrow.
Simple and effective.
And don't compare yourself to others.
Yes, comparison steals joy.
And it steals confidence, too.
So true. Everyone learns at a different speed.
And your speed is perfect for you.
I agree. The goal is not speed. The goal is progress.
And progress is happening, slowly but surely.
Exactly.
Emily, do you think future you will thank present you for today?
Yes, absolutely. I studied today, I worked today, I learned today. Future Emily will be proud.
Same here. I practiced, I learned, and I'm growing.
And to everyone listening, your future self is already proud of you.
Yes, even if you don't see the progress today,
Keep going.
keep practicing.
Keep believing.
And remember,
Every word you learn today is useful tomorrow.
every small action counts.
And your future self will thank you.
This was a great conversation, Emily.
I enjoyed it too.
And I hope our listeners enjoyed learning with us.
Yes, thank you for being with us.
We'll see you again soon.
Take care, everyone.
And remember,
Your future self will thank